What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining in. Sorry if today's video is a little bit lower audio quality than my normal one. I actually don't have my regular camera on me today. I'm using my phone right now, so hopefully it turns out all right. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys because this is the first time it's really been chilly since I've put in the new injectors. And I wanted to give you guys an idea of how it starts. I don't know how it's going to be, so we're going to see. But at the end of this video, I have a little bit of a giveaway announcement for you guys. It feels like just last week I hit 100 subscribers, and I'm coming up on 200 now. So as I hit 200, I want to give a little bit of a giveaway to you guys. I'll go over that in the end of the video, though. Yeah. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in. To all my current subscribers, thanks for tuning in again. This is my 2000 F250 Powerstroke. I just put in new upgraded injectors 2 weeks ago, I think. If you haven't seen the video, it's somewhere up here. I'll try to link it above so you can see it. But put in upgraded injectors, new glow plugs, new wiring harnesses, so we're going to see how this thing starts up. So weather-wise, it's probably down in the 30s right now, not terribly cold. We've been dropping down into the 20s at night. As you can see, we got quite a bit of snow. Nothing crazy. We got some snow last night, which for out here in Oregon, at least on the west side of Oregon, you don't see very often. But the truck hasn't been run in probably close to a week. Hasn't been plugged in, nothing. It's just been sitting. I think she'll probably do all right, but we're gonna find out. All right, you wanna start the film? Alright, we'll let the glow plugs warm up here, and we will see how she does. Let's give her a crank. Has been plugged in close to a week, down in the 30s. Fired right up like a champ. Alright, so there we go. As you can see, it is 34 degrees out right now. Not too crazy cold, a little chilly. As you saw, she fired right up. Did pretty good. With the new tuning I have on this, I might need to talk to the tuner because you guys probably noticed it's got kind of that weird idle, which normally, as it's doing right now, it'll just bump up on the idle as it's cold. But when I've been firing it up, it's been cold. It's kind of been cycling back and forth on that. But I'm sure I just got to talk to the tuner. It seems to be working fine right now. We'll see. I'll quiet that down so you can hear me a little more. But so, as for the giveaway, first I wanted to thank you guys for all your support so far. As I said, I feel like it was just last week that I hit 100 subscribers, already coming up on 200. So if you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. It's been exciting to watch this channel grow. I got a lot of big plans for this channel. I'm really hoping to kind of turn this into something fun and great, just something enjoyable. But giveaway, want to give back to you guys a little bit. I think I'm going to do a giveaway of $50 Amazon gift card to somebody that comments in this video. So I think how it's going to work is, for this video, anybody that leaves a comment, one comment gives you one entry in the giveaway. Don't worry about the multiple comments. It's not going to increase your chances. Just leave a comment and I'll record your name, and then once I hit 200 subscribers, I will shut down the giveaway, and I will do a random generator of everybody that's left a comment on this video, and I'll release that in a video at 200 subscribers. First time doing this, I think I got everything covered on it, but $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. Nothing huge, but I want to be able to give back to you guys a little bit. As this channel grows, I really want to be able to turn it into something, one, that's fun for people to watch, but two, be able to give back to you guys. You guys are kind of the ones that make the channel what it is. I'm just here making content, so leave a comment. If you're not, you have to be subscribed to the channel for the giveaway. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, and if you actually look to see how many people comment on my videos, you probably have a pretty good chance of making this money. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of a cold start. The truck seems to be running great with the new injectors. I'm super happy with them. The tuning's been good. Hopefully, once the weather gets a little bit nicer, I think we're gonna get some nicer weather this weekend, I'll get another video out to you guys. But cold start, new glow plugs, new injectors, she fired right up. I'm super happy. Thanks for stopping in on this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.